National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, south central Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ustic to near Galva, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ustic, Franklin Corners, White Pigeon, Morrison Rockwood State Park, and Malvern around 6:45 p.m. Coletta around 6:50 p.m. Johnson Sauk Trail State Park around 6:55 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northwestern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northwestern Illinois.